It's Tuesday evening, and you've been staring at the same blank doc for 2 hours, feeling frustrated and overwhelmed. You've tried using other voice generation tools, but they just don't deliver the quality you need. That's when you discover ElevenLabs, a game-changing tool that can deliver natural intonations and emotions based on your text's context. Welcome to another Klug video. Today, we're going to explore the best ElevenLabs tips and how to use ElevenLabs to save time and make more money. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use ElevenLabs to generate high-quality voiceovers quickly and efficiently. We've tested ElevenLabs ourselves and can attest to its power and versatility. Section 1. The problem nobody admits. You're not alone in struggling with voice generation. Many entrepreneurs, freelancers, and professionals waste hours trying to get the perfect voiceover. The problem is, most voice generation tools don't deliver the quality you need. They can sound robotic, lack emotion, and fail to convey the tone you want. That's why it's essential to find a tool that can deliver natural intonations and emotions based on your text context. ElevenLabs is one such tool, and it's changing the game for voice generation. Section 2. The discovery. So, how does ElevenLabs work? It uses a credit-based system, allowing you to access thousands of realistic voices in 29 languages. With fast response times around 400 ms, you can quickly generate high-quality voiceovers. The ElevenLabs API delivers natural intonations and emotions based on your text's context, making it perfect for a wide range of applications. From video voiceovers to podcasts and audiobooks, ElevenLabs can help you save time and make more money. The best part is that you can test the workflow with instant cloning, allowing you to see the results before investing time and money. Section 3. The shift. Now that you know how ElevenLabs works, it's time to learn how to use it to save time and make more money. The key is to use specific and detailed prompts to get the best results. By testing with small snippets before generating a full script, you can ensure that your voiceover sounds natural and engaging. Optimizing quality by using complete sentences and proper punctuation is also crucial. Additionally, you can minimize latency by using the Flash V2, 5 model and sending 500 character chunks. With these tips, you can unlock the full potential of ElevenLabs and take your voice generation to the next level. Section 4. Overcoming common challenges. One of the most common challenges when using ElevenLabs is running out of credits. To avoid this, you can plan your voice generation projects in advance and allocate your credits accordingly. Another challenge is achieving realistic and natural-sounding voices. By using the ElevenLabs API and following the tips outlined earlier, you can overcome this challenge and create high-quality voiceovers. Additionally, you can use professional cloning to invest time in training a professional voice clone for your brand. This will help you achieve consistent and high-quality results across all your voice generation projects. Section 5. The transformation. By applying the tips and strategies outlined in this video, you can transform your voice generation workflow and save time and make more money. With ElevenLabs, you can access thousands of realistic voices in 29 languages and generate high-quality voiceovers quickly and efficiently. The key is to use specific and detailed prompts, test with small snippets, and optimize quality by using complete sentences and proper punctuation. By following these tips, you can unlock the full potential of ElevenLabs and take your voice generation to the next level. Remember, the goal is to save time and make more money, and with ElevenLabs, you can achieve that. So, start using ElevenLabs today and experience the power of natural and realistic voice generation. The before state you started in, struggling with voice generation. The key shift that changed everything, using ElevenLabs. The after state you can reach, saving time and making more money. You now have the power to generate high-quality voiceovers quickly and efficiently, and take your business to the next level. If this saved you time or gave you an edge, subscribe to Klug. We post AI productivity content every week. Hit the like button if you learned something valuable today. What's your favorite ElevenLabs tip? Share it with us in the comments below.